Hey Mecha fans, welcome back to the channel. Is this for real? We will be getting soon an upscaled version of the RG Neo Xeon through Shan Shen Hao model. This is just a video, but there are no real prototype or actual product being shown yet as of this moment. So I am taking this one with a grain of salt. And I am hoping that the quality will be on par with the Fat Cat models, and hopefully we could get some update very soon. For now, let's just enjoy the promotional videos provided by the actual manufacturer. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.